Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share one good tip of Canva that you can use and you can come up with very much creative posts or videos. So I think only a few knows this tip or say this feature of Canva. So you can see this blank sheet, right? So if I add any element, if I talk about say management or maybe leadership, okay. So okay, I'm adding some, suppose I'm adding this, okay. So I'm adding this element. Now I want this element to move when I'll play, like suppose if I'm making any video, so obviously we will be liking it if all our elements are moving, okay. So in order to move it, what we can do is just go click here, go downside, from there you can see animate option, go to animate option, then you can see this B option, just wait. So you can see this create, okay. So you need to click here on create, and once you click on create, you need to tap on this element and choose a path, okay. Let me show it again, okay. We are going to B option, and then from there what we need to do, we need to tap and we need to select any route, okay. Done. Now it's done. So you can see this, okay. So you can see this steady, like there are various options that you can use. So whatever elements you are using, you can easily make it movable, okay. Suppose if I talk about, if I add a few elements, say student, then these are the students, okay. And then now if I talk about, if I add books, okay. If I add a few more elements, like if I talk about school, okay. So now I want these icons to be moved, okay. So for doing this, what I'll do, I'll just select these icons, I'll go to animate part, I'll go to B or say create option, that is honeybee. I'll click here, and for this I'll choose one path. So it's like students are going to school, so what we are doing is we are just clicking it and moving it, okay. So yeah, you can make it movable, just avoid this, okay. This you can see, so it's movable, okay. So you can also use this tip. This is truly a great tip that will help you to create some attractive templates or creatives or even videos, okay. So yeah, I hope this video is insightful for all the watchers, viewers that are watching this video. So yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.